Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I have a little bit of an unboxing, review, swatches of 3 of the 6 new polygels that Madam Glam came out with back at the 1st of June. These are the Made in Color collection polygels, so I got 3 out of the 6 colors in total. I am so new to polygel still. I have only applied it to one fingernail twice before, and yeah, I have a lot to learn when it comes to polygels and products like that. But here you can see the 3 colors that I got. I really like the colors. These are thermal, by the way, so they do change depending on the warmth of your finger and so on. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch them all as usual on one of my swatch sticks, or like nail sticks. I don't know how you want to call those. And yeah, let's just continue with that. So first of all, I wanted to mention that if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and hit that gray notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. But what you're going to need when you are going to use some polygel is some rubbing alcohol. I always use the 96%, but I have heard that the 70% of rubbing alcohol is pretty good to use as well as a slip solution, because polygel is like a mix between acrylic and gel, and you actually have to cure it, and it's very sticky. And yeah, let's just continue with this first little color, or at least tube, that I got from Madam Glam. Also on my right hand, I have 5 of these 6 gel polishes that are from the same Made in Color collection, but the first color of polygel that I'm going to try out is called Gaga. It is a mixture of like a beautiful orangey tone, which turns very light, kind of like a creamy white kind of tone. It isn't like pink or anything like that. In my opinion, I feel like it turns out to be quite white, but it's a really cool color, and I just love thermal items, like whether it are nail polishes, gel polishes, or polygel. For this particular video, I think it's always really fun to wear something like that, especially if you have longer nails, so you can really see the transition between the warmth of your finger and the colder temperature that's of course on the free edge of the nail. But I was not really struggling to apply it to my little like practice nail, but as I mentioned, this is like my 3rd time actually applying something like polygel, and I'm just very new to it, still a noob, let's just put it to that. So I need a lot of practice, so bear with me. I will be cutting out a lot of footage because I was like out of frame and out of focus, and yeah, I just need a lot more practice to actually show some decent footage. So yeah, that's why I'm going to cut out quite a lot of the footage, but you can really play around with that polygel a lot, because it's kind of like the perfect mixture between gel and acrylic, so you do have to cure it in LED or UV. I just cure in LED because I only have LED lights, but yeah, it doesn't harden out, so you can keep on playing with it as long as you use a slip solution. But here you can see after curing, it is very much like a white, very light tone. That's just because the light actually heats up the product, so yeah, that's why it's a little white, and it's already starting to turn back to orange again, as you can see here. But what I did after curing, I just removed the sticky layer with some of that rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to file it in shape. You always have to file it a little bit, even though you have like perfect shape, perfect application. You want to have a little bit of like texture for your top coat to actually grab onto. So yeah, here I just wanted to show you the effect a little bit more and what it looked like after filing and removing all the dust. This was right after curing it in my LED light with the layer of top coat. I actually used a non-wipe top coat by Madam Glam as well. I pretty much love that top coat. I use it for all of my designs. And yeah, this was already the first color. I feel like it turns from an orange to more towards a white, but on the packaging it just looks like a lighter orange. But I guess that will definitely depend on the temperature of your hand, your nail, and so on. The second color is called Sugar and Spice, and this one is a red that turns into a lighter pink. I love this. I love my pink tones. You guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me for a longer period of time. I just love pink nails, nail art, polish, and so on. But I'm just going to apply that the same way as I applied the previous one. Just blob on some from the tube onto your practice nail or your own nail or whatever you're going to use. Maybe you're going to use some dual forms or something like that. That is definitely something that I would recommend if you are just like me, very new to polygels. Use some dual forms because they work really easily, and a little bit of polygel goes a very long way. Trust me, I just applied quite a lot to this particular nail with this color, but actually squeezing out the gel wasn't super hard. I have another kit of polygels which were 3 different colors as well. I think it was by Melody Susie, if I remember correctly. And that one was a little bit harder to actually squeeze out of the tube compared to these by Madam Glam. But it will definitely matter like how hot it is in the room where you're going to use it, whether or not the polygel is room temperature or if it's colder. Because if it is a colder temperature, like a little bit cooler, it might be harder to squeeze out. So the hotter it is in your room, the hotter the polygel is, the easier it will be to squeeze out of the tube. But the third and final color that I received and I'm going to show you guys is this one. It is so cute. It is called Finger Snap, and it actually turns from a beautiful purple into a very lovely medium blue color. Kind of like a lighter blue color in my opinion. But once again, it works really nicely. I also really love the fact that Madam Glam has these bottles sealed. Not every single brand does that to start off with, so I would really like to applaud that because that's just really nice, especially if you get like a couple of these tubes. It's really nice to know that if you haven't used them yet, they are fully sealed and you can actually have them in your storage or your collection for a longer period of time before you actually have to throw them out, because they do expire like every other cosmetics like product. But yeah, here you can see the full end result of this one. I think this is my favorite one, even though it isn't a pink or anything like that. But I just really love that combination of the like light to medium blue towards the purple. I think it's really beautiful. And yeah, that were actually already all of the colors. I'm pretty impressed. These polygels go for $39.95 a tube, but you can use my discount code, which is femketje30, to receive 30% off of your own purchase. But you can also become a VIP member by Madam Glam. All of the information about that is on their website, but then if you are a VIP member, you get like a 50% discount like standard, like all the time. So do check that out if you're interested to see more about that. I also wanted to give a little quick view or like a quick snappy overview of these 6 gel polishes from the Made in Color collection. I have already done a full-on swatch and review video about those a little earlier, like a week, maybe 2 weeks ago or something like that. But I just wanted to include that in this video as well, because I only got 3 polygel colors and I didn't want it to be like a super short video. So yeah, here you can see all of the colors. This is the orange tone that I actually didn't apply to my nails because I was like, why don't I have 6 fingers on this hand and only 5, you know? But these gel polishes are really stunning. I love wearing them. I can't wait to actually do some cute nail art designs with those as well, apart from just wearing them all over the nail, which is beautiful too in my opinion. But there is a beautiful, gorgeous, glittery like substance in all of these gel polishes, and do check them out because they are gorgeous. But that was already the entire video. I really hope you liked it. I love you guys so much, and as usual, I would love to see you in one of my next videos.